So here we go. Step one of the harmony exercise is relaxation, physical relaxation. And I'll tell you right now, if you don't get this first part, you should not even bother trying to meditate. Relaxation is an extremely important skill which we really don't learn. In the harmony exercise, we use what we call progressive relaxation, relaxing from the top of the head down to the bottom of the feet. Relaxation seems to be a core concept in most every meditation that you'll find, and some meditations are actually just relaxation. In my master's degree, we learned the JACOBSON'S relaxation technique, where you tense up your muscles and let it go and feel the relaxation. In the harmony exercise, we just think relaxation. And if I think relax my shoulder, I can let my shoulder relax, just the thought alone. So the first step in the harmony exercise is to find a nice, comfortable place. We keep palms down in the lap, spine pretty erect. You don't want to be too slouchy when you do the harmony. And we always start with a deep breath. And we begin by relaxing the physical body. So starting at the top of the head, I relax the brow and the forehead, relaxing the face, the eyes, the nose, the mouth. Relax the lower back of the head. Relax the neck. You should feel this sensation of relaxation. So using the breath now, relax the shoulders, the upper arms, the elbows, the forearms, the wrist, hands, fingers, and thumbs. With another deep breath, relax the upper back, the chest, the lower back, the abdomen, and the pelvic section. With another nice breath, relax the hips, feeling that tension release the thighs, the knees, the calves, the ankles, feet, and toes. And now we've relaxed the entire body from the top of the head down to the bottom of the feet. This is super important. And as a matter of fact, this is really a standalone exercise, the beginning of meditation, the beginning of taking control of our focus and our concentration, getting ourselves present and taking control of the physical body. This is an extremely powerful skill to have, and it can really stand alone. If you just get good at relaxation, you're already ahead of most people. So that's step one of the harmony exercise, relaxing the physical body. You will see how it leads into the next pieces. The beauty of this meditation, the beauty of this exercise is how one piece leads to the next. And it all makes perfect metaphysical sense.